take a hit. Let's show you the big picture. That smoke is everywhere, not just the Northeast, but look at from the Midwest, Ohio Valley, Southeast, and the Mid-Atlantic, all with poor air quality expected today. Unfortunately, I go through time here today, tomorrow, and into Friday at least. Still looking at the smoke being an issue and getting pumped into here. It looks better for the weekend, so we're crossing our fingers that way. But now most of the area in that air quality alert category. Visibility is low. 58 degrees at Central Park, 43 in Poughkeepsie, 53 in Bridgeport. No showers or thunderstorms, so we'll try to get some sun in here. But as you can look at hazy skies at Coney Island, Brooklyn Cyclones take the field at 11 a.m. this morning. Tough to be out and in it, so if you don't have to be, highly suggest you don't. Temperature-wise, 74 degrees by noontime, mid and upper 70s for the high. We do have fair skies overnight, but the haze will very much stay in place. All right, let's check out, see what may be slowing you down elsewhere. Adele, what's going on?
We definitely have some lingering construction out there, and of course,
we're taking a look at the weather around the 5 boroughs, and of course it's more than the temperatures that we're looking at.
Absolutely, it's still that haze at 510, poor air quality an issue even this morning from Brooklyn and Queens near 60 degrees, 56 at Staten Island, the Bronx at 58. But you see that haze out there. We could use a little rain to clear the atmosphere. We've got some in the forecast before the weekend, but I think this is what we all really need, some more widespread good soaking rainfall. So I'll fine tune the timing and talk impacts too coming up in the 10-day. Really bad, you could smell it. We have not seen a huge improvement, and unfortunately we have more smoke headed our way. The view via EarthCam from Midtown, a similar situation, and it's just everywhere. The last couple of incidents where we've had the smoke in the atmosphere, it's more of a layer in the sky. We haven't had it as bad at the surface, but we have kind of this setup here that's allowing that to happen. So usually we have what we call capping that kind of keeps the smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but when you have the daytime heating and a little bit of instability, you get the air to mix around, go up and down. It taps into some of that smoke and is able to bring it down to ground level. We had a lot of that yesterday, and unfortunately nothing to mix it out. That's kind of what we're waiting on, and it's going to take a couple of days. So hazy skies, poor air quality, take it easy today. If you can limit your outdoor activity, do that. 58 now at Central Park. Outside of the haze, still expecting some sunshine to try and get through. You, again, noticed yesterday how dark it seemed with all of that haze in there, and temperatures climbing into the 70s by lunchtime. 77 for the high, northwest winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Of course, air quality alerts are in effect and will likely stay in place for a couple days. 56 degrees overnight under fair skies, but will likely be another smoky evening, another smoky day tomorrow. 71 degrees, but you see some drops here. There may be a sprinkle or two, and that includes Friday as well. So what's happening is this area of low pressure trying to finally get kicked out of the area. This is something we've been watching well over a week at this point, but enough to bring us some showers during the day on Friday. Southerly winds take over for the start of the weekend. I think that will help sky conditions, but it's ahead of this next front. This, I think, is a nice soaking rainfall potentially here Monday.